easier. Skilled farmers carefully cut only the mature outer leaves of the aloe vera plant at the base. The cut reveals
trimming tips and bases. Workers stand along a conveyor belt holding sharp knives, slicing off the spine. The green rinds travel away on a separate waste conveyor. These will be composted. The camera contrasts.
The pure gel fillets pass through a final cold water rinse. This washes away any remaining bitter yellow latex.
To create smooth juice, the pulp is pushed through a mesh filter. This removes large fibers. For chunky juice, this step is skipped or adjusted.
The aloe vera juice flows through a flash pasteurizer. It is heated rapidly to kill bacteria.
In the packaging wing, plastic preforms are heated and into the iconic square or round or aloe vera. The empty green or clear bottles are inverted and blasted with sterile air. This removes any dust.
The wet bottles exit the cooling tunnel. High-velocity air nibs blast the water droplets off the exterior. The bottles must be dry for the labels to stick.
The laser etches the manufacturing and expiry dates directly onto the bottleneck. Traceability is key for the aloe vera gel.
The large truck pulls out of the factory facility. The sun is setting. The vehicle carries the refreshing aloe vera juice.
Back at the facility, the green skins of the aloe vera leaves are turned into mulch.
That will be $4.25.
Thank you. The drink is cooling and sweet. The effort of the factory workers and farmers is validated by the quality of the aloe vera. The export of aloe vera gel is a global industry. Demand is high.
According to the readout, we are stable at 7.1.
That aligns perfectly with the target profile. We are ready for batching.
This year's aloe is exceptional, the richest crop we've had.
Yeah, that's exactly the quality we need for the gel. We're looking forward to the partnership.
Eco-friendly practices in processing the aloe vera. The production of the gel is becoming greener. Eco-friendly practices in processing the aloe vera. The production of the gel is becoming greener. The world needs its aloe vera. The production of gel never truly stops.